Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did a DIY kitchen upgrade to my countertops and the backsplash. It was super easy to do and it took almost no time at all. It only took a few days to complete. So I will be showing you everything that I used and kind of giving you step-by-step instructions. And yeah, so here we go. I hope you enjoy.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life.
So here I'm just starting out by prepping the countertops for the paint. I'm just taking a wet sponge and a scraper tool and getting any leftover caulking off from the backsplash, and then making sure that the counter is completely clean. And once I'm done using the sponge and the scraper tool, then I'm going to go in with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner and clean the counter off that way. Alright, so I just wanted to quickly go through what products I'll be using. So I have these chalk paint brushes. I have a wooden paint stir stick. I have a paintbrush here. This is for the polycrylic. I have a 1/2 inch wide roller. I have a paint can opener. I have the paint tray. I have blue painter's tape. I have this liquid sandpaper. I have my chalk paint here, and that's the color. And then I've got my polycrylic. So first off, what I'm doing is I'm going in with the liquid sandpaper, and I'm just going to use that to kind of rough up the countertops without having the mess of using actual sandpaper and then having to clean up all the dust. This just made it super easy and it just went really smoothly.
Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? You make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, but let the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
So now I'm going to be going in with my polycrylic. I've done 3 coats of the chalk paint on the countertops, and I've let each coat dry in between, and I let the last coat of paint completely dry before applying my polycrylic. So I'm just giving that just a quick stir just to make sure there are no lumps or anything, and I'm pouring it into a little cup. And then on the can, it is recommended to do small strokes and go in one direction as much as possible, and do thin layers as well so that you can build it up.
I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. It's just my lion heart.
Okay, so I went ahead and I did 3 coats of the polycrylic, and I let each coat dry completely before applying a new coat. And then on the final coat, I let it sit for 24 hours just to make sure that it was completely set. And then now I'm just going in and taking my Method heavy duty degreaser and wiping down the walls and the backsplash just to make sure that there's no dust or dirt or anything, and making sure that it's completely clean before I apply the tiles. So here I just wanted to show you the tiles that I'm using. I'm using the Smart Tiles brand. They're just peel and stick tiles, and I got them from Home Depot, and they were $25 per pack.
I'll be on my way. It's just my lion heart, the one you try to tame. I'll be on my way, and I won't try to stay. I let my lion heart keep on moving. There is no fear to erase. All doubts, I blow them away. 'Cause I'm the one you can't hold down. Now I got my eyes on the crowd, and this is why I just know this time I won't.
Alright, so I have everything all finished. I have the countertops done, and I have the backsplash on the wall. The backsplash was super easy to put on. It was just peel and stick. It's not 100% perfect, but that's okay. There are a couple little gaps, like right there, there's a little gap, and it's kind of crooked, but it's not that noticeable unless you look like directly at it. I also did right here, which that slant right there was kind of a pain in the butt, but I did it. So that's all done also. And then also right back here and alongside the window here. So yeah, so it is all done. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Everything here was super easy to do, and it took almost no time at all. It only took me a few days to complete, as I said earlier. I got almost everything at Home Depot. I didn't have to order anything. I got a couple other things from Walmart, but otherwise everything was from Home Depot. Everything was under $300. And yeah, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!